Google Veo3 created this advertisement video. Let's watch it.
We understand that for you, your vehicle is more than just transportation. It's an extension of your ambition, your comfort, your lifestyle.
Welcome, queens. Come on in. This is where the magic happens at Abby Beauty Collections. For a crown that truly fits, choose Abby Beauty Collections. Best quality hair, every style, every time. We've built this space for you to experience premium beauty services and products that truly cater to your style and needs. Feel this. Our hairs are so soft, so natural. It's quality you can truly feel. So if you're ready to elevate your style, to find that perfect wig, or get those nails looking absolutely stunning, then
Welcome back. This is AB Grow Guide, where I show you how to use AI tools to create money-making videos without stress. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create product advertisement video using Google Veo3. Whether you are a business owner, a content creator, or a UGC creative looking to earn extra income, seriously, this is next level AI video creation, and you'll be shocked at how easy it is. Whether you are advertising hair products, skincare, cars, clothing, medication, or even tech gadgets, Google Veo3 has got you covered. No expensive gear, no actor, just your creativity and a solid prompt. And guess what? Today, I'm not just telling you about it, I will show you how to create one from scratch. To get started with Veo3, click the link in my description to sign up. Once you are in, click on Flow. With just your credit card, you got 1 month of free access and you can cancel anytime. So now, this is the part where I want you to take full attention. Okay, let's say I own a beauty shop and I want to promote my hair and nails product using AI. I'll go to Google Gemini or ChatGPT to create my video script. For this tutorial, I'll be using Gemini. Here is what I will type. So you can type your raw ideas. So I'm going to type, so I will just say, I want to create a beauty brand called Abby Beauty Collections. They sell wigs and also do nail fixing. The woman in the video should be inside a hair salon. I'll be using Google Veo3 to make the video. Please give me a detailed prompt I can use and also write what the woman should say in the video. It should sound natural and appealing to a Nigerian audience. Okay, in this format, I want it to be in this format. It should have a video style. It should state the location and it should state the characters that are in the video and also the camera shot. Also show the mood and tone, and also add music to it. So those are the things I want. So you need to specify these. You need to put this clause there so that you'll be able to get a perfect video for your advert. Okay, so I will send. So Google Gemini will generate the full script for us. Yes, it has generated the full script for you, and this script includes video style, location, characters, even background extras, camera angles, that's music, giving us the mood, and also separate what the woman say in the video. The whole cinematic vibe. How cool is this? So I need to copy the script, then put it in Word document. So before you copy the script into Google Veo3, take close attention to what I want to do. Know that and take note what the woman say, like this one, see finish, it will be more than 8 seconds, right? So you need to reduce it. You can as well go to ChatGPT to reduce the words to, I want to copy what the woman will say in my first scene. Then I will paste it because you need to specify what the woman say in each of the video that you want to generate. So that's what I want to do. So I'm going to paste it in front of the character. Okay, so I will copy the first dialogue. Okay, then I will write, she says, then I will paste the first dialogue. From here, I will paste it there. So I will copy it there and paste it here. And that is what I am doing right now. Okay, now it has been pasted. I will copy all the scripts that Gemini gave us. So I'm going to stop right here from where I'm going to stop where the music is. I'm not going to pick this one, what the woman said, because I've picked one that I need. I will copy it, then I will open Google Veo3. Okay, now copy the entire script with that dialogue. we head back to Google Veo3. Under model, choose model 3 fast creation plus. It only takes about 20 coins per generation, so it's affordable. Paste the full script including the dialogue and hit generate. Your AI power advertisement video is ready. So let's watch what we created.
Welcome, queens. Come on in. This is where the magic happens. At Abby Beauty Collections.
So if you want to generate more ad variation, simply modify the dialogue, or you can change some camera angles. We want to repeat it again. Copy the dialogue, paste it in front of the character like so. So once you are done, you highlight everything, you copy it and stop in this junction. You stop here, then copy it and take it back to Google Veo3. Then you click generate. This is fantastic. This is what it generated for us. Next, open Capcut or your favorite editor. You can import your generated clips into the timeline, arrange them, trim where needed. You can trim where needed. You can add your music. You can put text overlay to make it original and unique, and your brand logo also. Then hit export. And just like that, you've got an AI powered ad ready to post on YouTube. You can post on Instagram, WhatsApp, TV, or even run as paid ad. So how can you make money with this? Now we are talking. Here is how you can turn this into real hustle. Sell ad video to small businesses, might be beauty salons, clothing stores, tech shops. And also you can offer UGC services to brands who need fresh, relatable content like this. Also, you can start a freelance gig on Fiverr or Upwork as an AI video ad creator. You can create product demos for affiliate marketing or drop shipping. And you know the best part, you don't need a camera, you don't need an actor or editing studio, just VO3, a good script and some creativity. If this blew your mind, subscribe for more tutorial on AI video, hit the like button so more people will see. And don't forget to check out this video next, how to make long form video with VO3, hanging up here. So all the tools I use are linked in the description below, so you can start creating right after this video. This has been Abby Grow Guy showing you how to turn AI into personal content machine. See you in the next one.